Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through setting up the sleep check-in feature on the Calm app. If you want to receive reminders to check in on your sleep habits and improve your nightly routine, this tutorial will show you how to enable and customize that notification easily on your phone. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon to open your account page. Then, in the top left corner, tap on the Settings icon. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various features of the app. Then, scroll down through the Settings options until you find the Notifications section. Tap on Notifications to open the notification settings. Inside Notifications, look for the option labeled Sleep Check-in and select it. After that, you will see a time setting where you can choose the time you want to receive your reminder. Tap on the time, pick your preferred hour, and confirm by clicking OK. Next, you can select the days when you want the reminder to be active. By default, all days are selected, but you can uncheck any day if you do not want to receive reminders on those specific days. Also, make sure the toggle for Get Reminder is turned on to ensure the notifications will come through. Finally, once you have set the time and chosen the days, tap on Set Reminder to save your preferences. Now, you will receive timely notifications to help you maintain your sleep check-in habit and improve your overall sleep quality. Thanks for watching.